Hello everyone, welcome to the channel, Vamos Español. Today, we're diving into one of the most misunderstood verbs in Spanish, the verb gustar. Yep, that one very verb that makes your brain go when you realize that it doesn't work as to like in English, but can also be used as to like anyways. Well, don't worry, we got this. We're gonna break it down, have some fun, and by the end of this video, you'll be out there saying what you like and what you don't like a native. So, ¿están listos? Pues vámonos. The verb gustar means to like directly, but it actually means to be pleasing to. So instead of saying, I like pizza, you're actually saying pizza is pleasing to me, or pizza pleases me. That's why we don't say yo gusto la pizza, because that would mean I'm pleasing to the pizza, which of course doesn't sound normal in Spanish. But don't worry, that's why I'm here, to let you know that 1. Gustar is not conjugated like other verbs. 2. It carries indirect object pronouns like me, te, le, nos, le to show who's being pleased or the person who likes something. And 3. We need just gusta if it's one thing as the object we're talking about that is singular, and gustan if the thing we like is plural. So our first formula for today is, let's take an example. Chocolate is pleasing to me. So, following our formula, how do we say this? We say me, which is pronounced me in Spanish, not me, okay? So, me, that means to me. And then we have gusta. Now we use gusta because we're just talking about one chocolate. I didn't say chocolates, so it's singular. And to round it all up, we would say el chocolate, which is the literal translation of the chocolate. So we have me gusta el chocolate. Well done. Now you see that el before chocolate, we don't have that in English because we don't say I like the chocolate. Well, we do say I like the chocolate if you're talking about a specific chocolate, not a chocolate in general. But in Spanish, we always need to add an article, a demonstrative adjective, or a possessive adjective before the noun. It would be weird if we just say something like me gusta chocolate, me gusta pan, or me gusta teléfono. Let's take more examples. I like music. I like music. Now, this means you enjoy music generally, not the music or this music that plays. But in Spanish, would add an article, and music is feminine, so the word would be la música. So, I like music would be me gusta la música. We like the beach. We like the beach. Nos gusta la playa. Nos gusta la playa. The beach is pleasing to us. Now let's try it in plural. I like tacos. I like tacos. Me gustan los tacos. Did you get that real quick? How about this one? Do you like movies? I'd love to see your answers in the comment section. Another formula for using gustar like a pro is, now this formula tells us what we like to do. Here, gustar always stays in the singular, okay, when it's used with a verb. So not gustan, we just say gusta. In English, we say I like dancing, you like studying. But in Spanish, seeing that the formula says add a verb in infinitive, what we're actually saying is I like to dance, I like to study, okay? So we don't need the ing form, which is the yendo and ando version in Spanish. We just need the verb. So let's say to dance is bailar. How do you say I like dancing or I like to dance? Me gusta bailar. Perfecto. How about you like studying? If to study is estudiar. You want to go ahead and do this one? Te gusta estudiar. Well done. You want to show the degree at which you like something? Just add mucho in between gusta and the noun, and gusta and the verb. For example, me gusta mucho la comida. Nos gusta mucho viajar. You want to show that you don't like something in Spanish? just add no before the indirect object pronoun. For example, me gusta la tarea. No me gusta la tarea. Les gusta cantar. No les gusta cantar. So here are a few other verbs that function just exactly like gustar. And when I mean function just exactly like gustar, I mean that they have the same conjugation and they carry the same indirect object pronoun. So you think you can figure them out on your own? Let me know in the comment section what you like and what you don't like, what you love, what interests you, or what fascinates you, and what bothers you. Dale chicos, we've come to the end of this video. Muchísimas gracias por ver el video. Denle like si les gusta, sigan practicando y nos vemos en el que sigue. Chao, chao.